Do you ever find yourself with a check and think, there's got to be an easier way to deposit this than driving to a bank? Well, you're right. Today, we're going to walk through how to use the Ally Bank eCheck deposit feature, a super simple and convenient way to deposit checks right from your phone. Before we dive in, make sure you have a few things ready. You'll need the Ally mobile app downloaded and logged in, a check that's been properly endorsed on the back, and a well-lit space. Don't worry, we'll go over the endorsement part in just a second. First things first, open up your Ally mobile app and log in. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Deposit Checks option. It's usually a clear and prominent icon. Tapping on that will take you to a screen where you can select the account you want to deposit the check into. After you've picked the right account, it's time for the check itself. Now, let's talk about the endorsement. This is a critical step to ensure your deposit goes through without a hitch. On the back of the check, you need to sign your name and write "For Ally Mobile Deposit Only." Make sure your signature is within the designated endorsement area. If you forget this part, your deposit could be rejected, so don't skip it. With the check properly endorsed, the app will then prompt you to take pictures of the front and back of the check. The key here is to get a clear, well-lit photo. The app will usually guide you with a frame. Place the check on a dark, contrasting background to help the app identify the edges. Take a picture of the front first, making sure all four corners are visible and the numbers are readable. Then, flip the check over and do the same for the back, ensuring your endorsement is clearly visible. After you've taken both photos, the app will display a summary of your deposit, including the amount it automatically detected. It's always a good idea to double-check this amount to make sure it matches the check. If it's incorrect, you can manually edit it. Once you confirm the details, hit the deposit button, and that's it. You'll get a confirmation number, and you can track the status of your deposit right in the app. Typically, funds from an eCheck deposit are available within a few business days, but Ally will let you know the exact timeline. Remember to keep the physical check in a safe place for a couple of weeks after the deposit, just in case there are any issues. After that, you can securely shred it. It's that simple, that fast, and you didn't have to leave the comfort of your home. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.